Good morning to all of you. In the previous video, I did discuss about given a short introduction of my own with respect to the case studies. In this particular video presentation, I'm just going to focus on certain things. However, before going ahead, I would like to let you know what I'm not going to do in this video. I'm not going to discuss what is a case study. We would be doing it in a later video regarding what exactly it is and how to proceed further. I'm not going to tell you what is it used for. Maybe we will see how many varieties are there and in what manner can I use my own case study. I will not be discussing how it is going to be used from our end at the moment. There are certain ways, there are certain guidelines in which I need to use a case study. Whether it is going to be a single approach or multiple approaches is what we will have to discuss and see how to go ahead with it again. I might be discussing about these things sometime in the future. Now, what are my intentions to discuss with all of you? Now, first and foremost, what is the origination of a case study? Now, nobody does that, and we should know basically what is a case study all about. How did it start off? And is it the same thing that we are going to follow up or not, or there are certain kind of differences? How are cases different in law and other branches of knowledge like management, psychology, cognitive sciences, alternative medicines, astrology, numerology, tarot card reading? It can be even in biotechnology, pharmacy. It can be in fashion designing or fashion media. How to understand all those things. Like I said, that I was involved into teaching a lot, then journalism and mass communication, BBA, MBA programs, architecture, engineering, all the five branches. And I've seen the differences in which we can utilize and use or introduce or write or teach a case study in all of these classrooms. Now, how many varieties of case studies are present is something which is very important for us to know, and we would be focusing on that. Why these differences are coming up, and should we focus on one of them, all of them? That how are we going to master the skills approaching towards these different kind of case studies? What will be our approach towards them? What should I do with a case study? Can I write a case study? Now, how is me as a faculty going to write a case study which is involved in teaching while assigning some task to my students? That's number two. Number three, how can I involve students to write a case study for me? And how am I supposed to focus on those things also? So these are certain things that I'm going to focus, and we would be, proceeding further with certain of these guidelines in the forthcoming video series, especially on case studies. Till then, thanks a lot and take care. Bye.